Good afternoon to one and all present here. Honorable Principal Madam, my colleagues, dear friends, all the viewers, on this International Yoga Day celebration, we as a OCE team, we celebrate an awareness program on diet and nutrition amidst COVID-19 pandemic situation. We all are leading a very healthy and happy life, but for that, we should uh, maintain some activities, some practices in our day-to-day life. As we all know, yoga is such a mental, physical, and spiritual activities are been done by 5,000 years ago, but still we people are still continuing this activity to be healthy. In the month December, 11th December 2014, United Nations Assembly has declared this International Yoga Day. Since that time period, as our Honorable Prime Minister also declared and has taken initiative, so we Oriental College of Education also started practicing this Yoga Day celebrating on 21st June every year. So by maintaining this tradition, this year also we are celebrating this Yoga Day in a virtual mode. So it's what to eat. Basically, in short, I want to describe per day, as per nutrition and experts, they said we should take one pulse, one starch, three varieties of fruits, and six type of vegetable, whatever it is. But having it's a combination of carbohydrates and protein and everything. But in the modern civilization, we are very fond of coffee, tea, sugar, processed cereals, then some choco things, and the fast foods, weekend dinners in the restaurants. But we should have some substitute, at least to lead a very better life. We can substitute our tea with herbal tea, sugar with jaggery or honey, and red rice or brown rice. As far as possible, at least we should include these foods in our day-to-day life. Then the protein advice for non-vegetarians are some proteins we can include like meat, cheese, and eggs, but not all every day. Meat, we should not eat meat. Fish once in a week, or eggs maximum twice a week. And for vegetarian also, there are so many things.
There is practice of meditation. Meditation is proved to increase the size of hippocampus. It can generate up to 700 new brain cells if you meditate every day. Like so, neuroimaging studies have shown so many things that meditators, the people who do meditation, they have better connectivity of neurons in their mind. So it's like that meditation plants the healthiest न्यूरोलॉजिकल सीड विच फर्टिलाइजर्स. अब जैसे किसान है, उसके अगर सीड्स अच्छे हैं तो ही उसकी फसल जाके अच्छी होगी, राइट? तो इसी तरह से हमारे जब न्यूरॉन्स अच्छे होंगे तभी हमारी एक्टिविटीज उतनी ज्यादा पॉलिश्ड होंगी, उतनी ज्यादा फोकस्ड होंगी. सो उसी तरह से वही यहाँ एनालॉजी में यूज कर रही हूँ कि मेडिटेशन प्लांट्स द हेल्दीएस्ट न्यूरोलॉजिकल नीड्स व्हिच फर्टिलाइजेस द बेस्ट न्यूरोलॉजिकल chemicals so that our focus, our concentration, our attention span improves. And further, meditation removes the brain cloud, the brain fog. इसके बारे में I think मैंने first year, second year दोनों से बात की है कि when we are in depression or we are in stress, then एक brain fog हमारे दिमाग के आसपास not literally fog नहीं आता, but we confuse information, one information with the other, and we हमें याद नहीं आता कि उस टाइम पे क्या हुआ था, मैं डिसीजन कैसे लूं, लैक ऑफ एबिलिटी टू टेक डिसीजन. सो ये सब ब्रेन फॉग की वजह से होता है. दैट मीन्स द न्यूरॉन्स आर नॉट फंक्शनिंग in the way in which they are supposed to work.
Surya Namaskar is a gesture of showing gratitude or salutation to the sun. It is a sequence of 12 important yoga asanas which brings the body, breath and mind together. These asanas relax the mind and at the same time improves the flexibility of the spine. The forward bend asana notably helps in increasing the abdomen space by which it makes your hip more responsive. It improves the posture by stretching and strengthening the muscles, joints and skeletal system. It also gives an excellent cardiovascular workout, helping one to lose weight. With each inhalation and exhalation, the lungs and blood remain thoroughly oxygenated and the body gets detoxified. According to the expert, it benefits in bringing down the blood sugar levels and keep heart diseases away. It boosts the blood circulation of the body and simultaneously aids in giving you healthy skin. It highly benefits the memory and nervous system by getting rid of anxiety and calming the person's senses.
To start sun salutation, सबसे पहले अपने दोनों पैरों को एक साथ करके समस्थिति में खड़े हो जाएंगे. Inhale, exhale, palms together in front of your chest or your heart chakra. Now inhale again. अपने दोनों हाथों को सर के ऊपर की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. ध्यान रखिए कि आपके हिप्स आगे की तरफ शिफ्ट ना हो और आप पीछे की तरफ मुड़ेंगे अपने थोरासिक से और अपर बैक से. एक्सेल करते हुए बहुत धीरे धीरे नीचे जाएंगे. जो आपके हिप्स हैं वो ओवर एंकल रहेंगे. इनहेल, टेक योर राइट लेग बैक इन अ डीप लॉन्ग लंज. राइट नी ऑन द फ्लोर, फ्लैट फुट ऑन द फ्लोर, चेस्ट अप इन अश्व संचालन. लुक अहेड, सेम ब्रेथ, कंटिन्यू. इनहेलेशन, टेक योर लेफ्ट लेग ऑल्सो बैक, कम इन प्लैंक. एक्सेल, knees, chest, chin on the floor, Shashtanga. Heels toes together. Slide your body forward. Inhale, come up in cobra. Relax your shoulders, elbows by your body. Exhale, go down first, tuck your toes, lift your whole body up, downward facing dog. Inhale करते हुए राइट लेग को ऊपर लेकर जाएंगे और अपने हाथों के बीच में रखेंगे अश्व संचालन में. लुक फॉरवर्ड. जो आपका पीछे वाला नी है और फुट है उसको फ्लैट रखेंगे. एक्सेल, ब्रिंग योर अदर लेग आल्सो इन फ्रंट ऑफ द मैट और पूरा नीचे की तरफ झुक जाएंगे. बेंड योर नीज अ लॉट, ड्रॉप योर हिप्स, आर्म्स ओवरहेड, कम अप स्ट्रेट. थोड़ा सा बैक बेंड करेंगे सिर्फ. एक्सेल, स्ट्रेटन योर बॉडी, रिलीज द पोस्चर.
Now I will show you the second one, अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. ठीक है, 5 राउंड करने हैं. अगर नहीं होता है पहले 2 राउंड करेंगे. You just observe with me and then we will start. Okay? See, this is my right hand. As if you have to close your left nostril. You have to inhale from right nostril. Close. Open the left. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Close. Exhale from right. Inhale from right. Close. Exhale from left. Inhale from left. Exhale from right. ऐसे आपको 5 बार ही करना होता है.
Thank you once again, my dear teachers, for conducting this insightful and informative session. We really enjoyed it and learned a lot today. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you, madam.
Enjoy.
Thank you, Honorable Principal Ma'am, all the students, all the viewers of the session, my colleagues, Sonalata Soni Madam, Pushpa Madam, Harjot Madam, Apurva Madam is here, the non-teaching staff, and all the viewers who joined here and enjoyed this session. So hope the yoga day is not an end. We will make sure, we hope you all will practice this yoga in your day-to-day life. Thank you so much. With the permission of Principal Madam, now the meeting is ended. Stay home, stay safe, and stay happy.